Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I want to do a little project. I'm going to restain my dining table. I believe it's veneer wood, so I'm not going to sand it too much. I'm just going to take out all the little stains that I have on there. There's like, nail polish, or my daughter spilled nail polish on there. Don't ask me how that happened. There's just dings and little scratches on there. And also, I got some type of chemicals on there, so I'm gonna have that removed. So hopefully, I could refinish it and make it look brand new again. So I'm gonna share the material and the tools that I'm gonna use to refinish the table. So let's jump into this project. So guys, here's the table. As you can see, that's the nail polish. You'll see some little dings on the side. There's nothing I could do about that. But I just want to get out some of these spots here. This is from when I did my candle project. I should have never done it on my table. And here's some other little marks on the table that I'm going to try to sand out. Here's another nail polish on here. I don't even know what this is. As you can see, I'm gonna try to pretty it up a little bit. So let's jump into this. So guys, here is the sanding paper. This is the smoothing paper, and then this is the coarse paper. I will be using the smoothing paper just to take out the imperfections and all the. Oops. I don't believe this is real wood. And I don't want to damage the table, so I'm going to use the smoothing sandpaper just to take out the rough spots. And then I'm going to go in and use this wood stain. It dries in 1 hour, and as it says on here, and it's pretty good. I also used it on my Crate and Barrel umbrella vase, as you can see, and it came out pretty good. So I'm going to try this on my dining table. What's the worst that could happen? I have had this 3 years now, so it went through it's had a good life, so wish me luck, and I hope this comes out pretty good. yeah, I've had this for a while, so don't pay attention to this. So guys, this is the finished look of the table. As you can see, it looks pretty good. There's a little dent in the table, but that's nothing. I couldn't take that out, but for the most part it looks good. I'm happy with it. Let me know what you think. Tell me if I did a good job or not in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.